Hello, so I'm going to be explaining the right hand rule today. And so for the right hand rule, you really want to use your right hand and you want to use like these three fingers here. So your thumb, your pointer finger, and your middle finger. So usually what you want to do is you want to have this be your first component of the cross product and then this as your second component. That way this would be the product of those two. So, for example, in magnetic force, it would be the magnetic force is equal to the current times the magnetic field. So, F equals I times B. So, then the current, we could have the current here, and then we could have, for example, the force go this way, like to the positive y direction, and the current run upward. Then, in that case, the answer, the magnetic field, would be this way towards the leftward x direction. Another thing we could use this for is magnetic field, which is solving for the b. And magnetic field is equivalent to the velocity and the r-step vector, which is the source to the observation point. So once we figure out what the r-step and the velocity vectors are, would put the velocity vector, let's say in this case it's upward z again, and then we would have an r-step vector like this. So if we had an r-step vector, for example, going this way and current or sorry velocity going this way, then the magnetic field would be pointing toward me or out of the page. So yeah, that's just a quick explainer on how to do the right hand rule.